Missy man taking one money go buy clothes. And him a walking foot and a sell it through the town. And police take you upon him.
Really?
Carry around a station and I go tell him how much money him have to find for carry a code to get back them.
And if the man they have money, him no now walk up and down and sell.
Where me I go get that money and I goods me myself to get money? Where me I go get that money to carry a code to get back my goods?
No, sir,
where me I go
know,
get
sir.
it from?
No robbery?
Tell
Never
me
know,
now
sir.
if that no robbery where them I do. That a big robbery you know I do.
In every way you
So
take
for
it.
me get back my goods now when I go home tonight and my brain a blood clot bus.
Yeah.
You understand me? My brain a bus so me I go get back my goods in a brethren. Cause me no have no other source. Me have to go tell myself say blood clot but me no know say Tony run and go to shop down so I'm like yet. Take that off I'm blood clot tonight as in lock and come out. Oh you bomb clot me and tomorrow me hop at the place I pay for me goods.
Listen me. Yo, I see him say going on. That's why. Badwacat, as much as a comedy and a joke, he's telling no lie. Police harass higglers because they end up on the road as sell and them a block traffic and all of that. Two wrongs to make a right. However, when they take a goods they have to pay a fee or a fine, where you gonna get the money from? You call your friend them a struggle too. You have to go rob somebody. So 3 wrongs that. Badwacat! Bad!
No about your them say man.
You live in this yard, your yard. Me as a visitor come here. You have one chair on your veranda. What you supposed to do is get up out of that one chair.
can't sit down a gong to man.
No, man.
So my chair you know.
Then
You did carry chair come here?
No, but it's a visitor here.
So where you visit the man place for?
Then my brethren may come check.
So
you.
Then you can't say your brethren you can't sit down.
Remember my chair you know.
One chair, man. The principal of it, man.
I'm a principal in this. This is mine.
No, you fit
Yeah.
get up out of the one chair and say, here, have a
Yes, so that's why I don't run we come up here for place all the while.
you
For them give with
Me
them.
uncomfortable.
Yeah, you take your bed game.
Yeah, go comfortable up at your place.
No.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
welcome
Yeah,
visit
you
at
go and
all
come.
time.
When you come at my place, now look no comfort here.
So me feel lucky.
You don't live here.
Me's a visitor, so me get
No
this
mind, no get too comfortable here.
Cook your dinner,
Yeah.
you cook fish and chicken, you
Me-
give me
me
the fish
offer
and
you
you and the
some.
chicken.
The man give you a plate of meal. Alright, you visit Cat today. Cat do some booming. He say, where you eat, Sean? And him pop out this big plate of fish and something give you.
Yes.
You check him tomorrow?
Two you see them, you have to
Me
sit
say if
down
you go check him tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
If there's a reason why I have to check him tomorrow, check him.
How more fish and something you come?
Two you see them, him you see them, you have to sit down and-
Yeah. So, I guess when me have visitors now, me not give up my comfort for them. Me gonna stop. Cause me always give up my comfort for the visitors them. Cat said nothing no go so. No brother, one chair, you sit down on the floor, then you have visitor, well don't come back. Badwacat to the world.
If the gunman come and say chew me at the bodyguard, him have to shoot me first. I saw me dead for the Prime Minister. And if him can't save himself, it's up to him. But if I'm me fi step in at the shot for save him, your blood clot mad. You're mad. Send me a prison and me go and go live same way a prison. And me still have my life, cause me there prison, but Prime Minister dead, me a bumbo idiot.
So every security guard, if on a bodyguard them, see? Not take a bullet for him. The man got prison.
You must go prison.
Who's that?
You must
Yeah,
go
man.
prison.
Your job is
prison,
to
man.
secure the Prime
You
Minister
must go
life.
prison, man.
Me with you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man. Then that's what
Yeah.
you do,
Well,
man.
cat, I shall shake. I'm going to work.
Yes, brother.
Yes, sir. But one thing I'm saying to you, sir. The Prime Minister just blood clot dead.
Just dead, man. Then with him. I mean, he's just dead.
Oi! The Prime Minister just dead. Yo, I swear. Badwacat story them bad in a man. All the man name bad. Where you get that? Badwacat. Where you get that name there from? Well, anyways, that's why I'm not turn no security. Big up all the security guard them. But don't run in front of no bullet. Or run in front of nobody if you get no bullet. Let them catch them bullet. What is meant for you is meant for you. And what is meant for he or thee is meant for he or thee.
Yeah, man. Same down parish and make crazy money. Yeah, man. And him come back, yeah. And him there for 1 week. Nice pants, shirt and boot. And you can't light one cigarette in peace.
You don't take it for your mouth.
I'm a beggar drum. I tell them say, but we no give draw. There's something there back in the days, something you will come with, brother. Then 1 week, so much money done, and you just come back to one.
Yeah, money for money
done so. Then you left, you will lie down there and come up without it. So you take we a feed, yeah. So, and come up now and we can't even light a craving in peace here, Kayo. You can't go buy one suit out the road because you never come with no bag. You understand? So you know go buy one suit in the town, and the town me go in and I can buy a suit, you know.
Yeah, man,
and change and put on and gone about my business again, you know.
So like cat switch up his story and I chat about some broke foreigners that come my yard. Jesus, they don't have nothing can't well. Don't think about getting anything from him because they ain't even have nothing for themselves. Badwacat to the world, man. The man funny gone to bed. Funny as in comedian. No, on the Jamaicans think, you know.
Yeah. A person will call you say, hear me now, me long to see you, know. Want to make a pass through, but me no stay good. You say, come in, man.
No, nobody come.
Problem.
No, nobody come. Nobody come. What that me say? Nobody, when you stay good, you come. When you didn't stay good, you never come. Nobody come, man. Me no stay good neither, so nobody come.
But the thing is this now, it's long to see you.
When you stay good, you know we see me?
Yes.
Nobody come, no, brother. Nobody come. Not that you could come to visit me, make me uncomfortable. Nobody come. You fool me. I go left Jamaica now, left Jamaica to go visit Uncle Ken to make him uncomfortable.
Then,
Hey, a comedy, no, but the reasoning behind of it makes so much sense. But if nothing now go on for you, don't come visit me. Come burden me with your problems. Yo.